guys. I am going to be reading to you Johnny Appleseed. You have a copy of it for your math station, and then once you're done, you're going to answer the questions on the next page. I'm going to read you the story. Listen to the whole story. This story is just supposed to be fun and a little break from math. So here we go. Johnny Appleseed. From the time he was a young man in Pennsylvania, John Chapman's brothers and sisters knew he wasn't like everyone else. So they weren't surprised the day he announced, "I know just what I need to do." "What now, John?" they asked. Their brother spent most of his time in the woods and apple orchards behind their house, thinking up ideas no one else could think up. "I'm going to spread apple seeds as far west as folks need them," he said. That very day, he set off for the cider mill nearby. There, he got a huge pile of seeds and dried them in the sun. Then he packed them into a sack and threw the sack over his shoulder and set out. At first, he paddled a canoe west of the Ohio River. When he came across settlers, he'd call out, "Hey there, friend, I've got some apple seeds for you. No need to pay. I'm here to spread apples all across the land." Then he'd tell them how to plant the seeds and how to care for the trees. He'd tell them how to store their apples and how to can them and press them into cider and bake them into pies. The pioneers, who needed all the help they could get, welcomed the seeds and John's advice. And when it was time for him to leave, they waved and smiled as he paddled away. It wasn't long before John put down his paddle and took off on his bare feet. He walked everywhere